So greetings guys, today I have purchased this Sandisk OTG pen drive from Amazon, and as you can see they have changed this packing thing. First of all, I have verified that the package is not tampered, although there is clumsy cluster over here that I practically cannot verify, but let us hope for good. And I'm going to make one cut from the side, and I hope that it will not impact on the pen drive itself. So yes, there is a bill, and oh, the disk is right here. Now the issue with this type of pen drive is there are several colors option and several minor variants which slightly varies in the transfer speed of data. So you need to be very careful and precise while ordering this item. And they say it is around 400 Mbps transfer speed, but there are many videos on the internet which shows that the transfer speed is not up to the claimed mark. Anyway, I'll simply make one more cut and try to open it out. So yes, this is totally sealed pen drive. Okay, so you need to make additional cut in order to open this up, and this is endless loop of cutting the drives. I don't know how to do this with one hand, and I guess no one can do this with their one hand. But anyway, yeah, this is still not open. Let me make one more cut from this side. Okay. So please bear with this focusing issue because I am utilizing my both hand, and primary target is to open this up, and that is why focus is not preliminary criteria, at least for this one. So I am doing this carefully because I don't wish to damage this item, but I guess Sandisk really need to do certain things, because with both my hands I'm still unable to unwrap this up. Okay, it is totally vacuumed and sealed in such a way that it is very difficult to make one precise cut, and I guess you need additional tools, because with scissors you practically cannot unwrap it. Okay, Okay. So I'm focusing over here. I wish it is editable to all of you. And it says made in China. So this is the new color they are offering right now, and the dimension is very tiny. And the only advantage with this OTG pen drive that it has Type C type support, and it will surely have better speed as compared to any conventional USB 3.1 option available in the market. So anyway, goodbye guys, and many thanks for spending your time to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.